Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will draw a small picture. I will draw a Pokeball for Pikachu. I need two felt pens, black and red. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I color 4 boxes at the bottom of the picture at the center. Now 2 boxes to the left, 1 box, 2 boxes up, 3 boxes up, now turn to the right and paint 2 boxes up, 1 box, 2 boxes to the right, 4 boxes to the right, 2 boxes to the right, 1 box, 2 boxes down, 3 boxes down. Now turning to the left, 2 boxes down, 1 box, and 2 boxes to the left. Now from this box go down 1 box and turn into the right and paint 4 boxes to the right. One box, 2 boxes to the right, 1 box. Now skip 1 box up and painting 1 box. Now turning to the left, painting 2 boxes to the left, and now 1 box painting. Now here we should paint 4 boxes to the right. And now I take red felt pen and I color this part of Pokeball, but I leave 2 boxes unpainted here and here. Now I'm painting. So that's all. It's very simple and small picture. Very nice. You can paint this Pokeball another color. Please give me your likes. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.